friends, this is Vitin and today I am going to tell about some simple science experiments for kids. And the experiments are bouncy rubber egg, liquid density, color rose, sink or float and rainbow milk experiment. Experiment 1. Bouncy rubber egg experiment. Things needed. Egg, vinegar, jar. How to do? Put your egg into a tall drinking glass. Pour vinegar into the glass until the egg is covered. Put the glass aside so no one drinks and or spills it. Let the egg soak overnight. Rinse the egg with water. Now your bouncing egg is ready. Experiment 2. Liquid density experiment. Things needed. Water, corn syrup, vegetable oil, honey, dish soap, food color and glass. How to do? Take a glass. Pour honey in it. Now pour corn syrup in it. Now pour dish soap in it. Now mix food coloring into the water and pour the water on top of the dish soap. Pour vegetable oil on the color water. Mix everything well. Wait for 5 to 10 minutes. After 5 to 10 minutes, you will see all the liquids will be in the same order how you poured in it. This is liquid density experiment. Experiment 3. Color rose experiment. Things needed. White rose, 2 glasses and color. How to do? Take 2 glasses. Fill the 2 glasses with water. Add color to the 2 glasses of water. Now take a rose. Cut the stem of the rose into half. Now keep half part of the stem in one glass and another part of the stem in another glass. Wait for 1 day. After 1 day, you will see a colorful rose instead of a white rose. Sink or float experiment. Things needed. Large container filled with water. Object collected from around the house. How to do? Fill a large container with water. Find the place to conduct the science experiment where you don't mind a bit of water will possibly getting out. Place one object at a time in the water and observe what happens. Repeat this for all objects. Now, note your observations in the paper. The objects which are heavier than water sinks and the objects which are lighter than water floats. Experiment 5. Rainbow milk experiment. Things needed. Milk, shallow dish, food coloring, liquid dish soap, earbud. How to do? Pour milk in dish. Squeeze drops of food coloring on milk. Dip earbud in soap and then dip it in milk. Now the milk will start erupting. So these are the simple experiments that we can do at home. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.